When 12-year-old Rickson's great-uncle leaves him an island in his will, Rickson can't quite believe it. Things get even more confusing when the mysterious island could only be located on a very ancient map, and only then by using a big magnifying glass. Does the island actually exist? And if so, does it really belong to him? There's only one thing for it. Rickson is going to have to go there and find it for himself. And what he finds when he gets there might just hold the key to the future of the planet.